Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're working on the PS4. If you have a PS4, you should do this simple maintenance right now. Place the PS4 on a flat table with plenty of light. Make sure the PS4 is powered on so we can begin. Now, shut down the PS4 properly from the menu. Do not put the PS4 in rest mode, fully power it off. Wait until the PS4 power light stops glowing. Unplug the power cable from the PS4. Unplug the HDMI cable from the PS4. Unplug any USB devices connected to the PS4. Now move the PS4 to a dust-free clear workspace. Look at the air vents around the PS4. The PS4 vents collect a lot of dust over time. Use a can of compressed air for the PS4 vents. Hold the PS4 slightly tilted to the side. Blow air gently into the PS4 side vents. Blow air into the PS4 rear exhaust vents. Blow air across the PS4 USB ports in the front. Do not spin the PS4 fan aggressively. Just short controlled bursts of air for safety. Wipe the outer shell of the PS4 with a dry microfiber cloth. Check if the PS4 vents now look clear and open. Next, let's reset the PS4 power cycle. Plug the power cable back into the PS4. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS4. Do not plug in any USB devices to the PS4 yet. Press the power button on the PS4. Let the PS4 boot normally to the main menu. Now we will rebuild the PS4 database. Shut down the PS4 again from the menu. Wait until the PS4 fully turns off. Press and hold the power button on the PS4. Keep holding until you hear a second beep from the PS4. This will start the PS4 in safe mode. Connect the PS4 controller to the PS4 using a USB cable. Press the PS button on the PS4 controller. On the PS4 Safe Mode menu, select Rebuild Database. This does not delete any data on the PS4. The PS4 will now scan and reorganize its internal storage. This can take several minutes depending on the PS4. Wait patiently until the PS4 finishes and restarts. When the PS4 returns to the home menu, feel for fan noise and heat. The PS4 should now be smoother and quieter. Now go to Settings on the PS4. Scroll down to Storage on the PS4. Delete old and used PS4 games you no longer play. This frees space and improves PS4 performance. Now go to Notifications on the PS4. Clear all old notification logs on the PS4. Next, open Downloads on the PS4. Cancel any stuck or paused downloads on the PS4. Restart the PS4 one more time. The PS4 should now respond faster and run cooler. If the PS4 still runs hot, check room ventilation around the PS4. Avoid placing the PS4 in enclosed cabinets. Keep at least 4 inches of space around the PS4 vents. Repeat this PS4 cleaning every 2 to 3 months. These steps help prevent PS4 overheating and freezing. Your PS4 should now run better, smoother, and quieter. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your PS4 and see you in the next video.